Walmart Wednesday. I am super excited to be here, you guys. I will be inserting video at some point during today's video to show you that Walmart, I love your girls so much. Yes, they sent me a package and it was chock full of goodies. So I'll probably show you some today and some next week. I was so excited. And if you didn't see over on my community tab, I did post a picture of the envelope. It says Liz and the little top of the card, but I did not show you the inside. So let me read this to you. Liz, we've been absolutely living for your Walmart Wednesdays and are so happy to see you enjoying our spring collection. Thanks so much for being a fan and showing off incredible looks for less. Absolutely. We hope you enjoy these affordable fashion finds, perfect for the new season, your friends at Walmart. How, first of all, lucky am I, and how, second of all, excited was I to be recognized by, isn't it like America's most major retailer, like #1? I don't know. I was so excited, you guys. Ask my husband, I was freaking out. So after I show you this outfit, I'm gonna insert some video of me opening the giant box that they sent me. I do actually have one of the pieces on, so we'll get to that in a second. Let me go over my jewelry. I am wearing, again, my 6-pack of, oh, I got a little bruise here, don't I? Do you ever find bruises on your body and you're going, what is that? Anyway, my 6-pack of gold stretchy beaded bracelets. They're nice and light, I love them. And you guys, guess what else? Remember I showed you the 3-pack of rings? I was featuring the pink one. It also comes with just this plain gold one, and I absolutely love it. Also, my nails are from Walmart. I've been loving the glue-on nails. They're by Kiss. I think they're called Impress or something like that. So I will make sure to link them below for you. I love the short length, and of course, I love the neutral color. They're so easy to pop on, you guys. I always, before I film, do my nails, and I've used, quick dry nail polish, but you still kind of have to wait. These are so much faster, you would not believe. They come with their own little sticky tabs too. Very simple. Takes me like 2 minutes, honestly. I'm gonna sneeze again. I was filming earlier today and talking into the video saying how my window was open because it's like 60 degrees here finally and sunny, but now I'm noticing all of the buds falling off the trees. The allergies are now kicking in. Can't ever win, can we? All right, you guys, check out this. Oh, by the way, gold filigree earrings, and that's it. Okay. Check out this dress. I have been seeing it everywhere. It is by Scoop, and I resisted. I'm like, well, everyone's showing it and blah, blah, blah. I am so glad I purchased it. You guys, it's so cute. So it's in a size small. It's got a pink sort of style that comes in really close and nice and high, but then it's cut out on the sides in the perfect spot where we are all the thinnest is where it's cut out. Then it has like a drop waist little skirt, which I'm seeing drop waist here and there. I don't know what's going on there. Is it an up and coming trend or something? I'm okay with it. It's very flattering. And it's just baggy enough to make you really look like you have this little tiny waist the way it comes down there. You don't see anything. Your tummy's over here. Don't worry about that. And then it goes into this full skirt. It's in a very heavy linen fabric. I chose the dress in black. It does come in another color, I believe. Here is what the back looks like. It zips right up the back. Again, you're seeing that drop waist skirt. It is a midi length, and I paired it with my gifted, thank you Walmart, Ivory braided sandals. How perfect was it that they sent me the Ivory ones, because these are the only ones I don't have. I've got pink from last year, and I have the black, and now I have the Ivory, and these are so comfy, you guys. They're by Time and True, and they have that right there, it says it, memory foam footbed, and I cannot tell you what a difference that makes. And the heel on these is not too tall. It's just, they're my favorite pair of shoes to wear to work. When I'm at work, it's a whole different ballgame. You want to be comfy and stylish. I think my voice is changing. But these fit the bill for everything. And I thought they really looked cute with this black dress. Of course you can wear the black ones, but you guys know I like to wear nude colored shoes with black dresses. I don't know why. But this dress, you guys, is gorgeous. It's fitting me absolutely true to size. Again, a little baggy on the sides, which I love. It makes your waist look that much smaller. A nice full drop waist skirt, and it's in this linen. I absolutely love it. It would look great with flats as well, you guys. But I chose, of course, to show off my brand new Ivory sandals. Thank you to Walmart. All right, I'm probably gonna insert some video right here, and I'm gonna go grab a couple of the looks that they sent me. I'll be right back.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown, before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass.
All right, you guys, if you saw in the video I showed you of the unboxing, this dress was in there. Now, I found it interesting because this is not a dress that I would have picked. It's just not typically my colors or anything like that. And I would think that, oh, a little silk dress might not look so cute on me. It's so cute, you guys. Let me back up. Of course, I am showing my straw clutch bag from Walmart that I love. Diamond shaped gold earrings. And then I grabbed my favorite bangle, kept that same ring on. I love this ring. And let me back up and show you this dress. It's a slip dress by Scoop. It's in a midi length, which I'm seeing everywhere this season. Midi is hot. It's got this bright orange background and these gorgeous like fuchsia and lighter pink flowers all over it, you guys. What do you think? So the rep that reached out to me, she just asked me my sizes in shoes and clothing. And, you know, I gave her my sizes and she picked out things and sent them to me. And there was only one piece that I had already shown, but you know, I'll show it to you guys again. Probably not this week, but eventually I will. Anyway, I paired this dress with those nude one strap sandals. They go with everything, you guys. I wasn't sure what to do for sandals, but I thought, well, let's just make my legs blend in with my shoes, and you're really focused on the dress, and it kind of worked. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this. Again, it is not a loose dress, but I've been branching out for you guys and for Walmart because they gifted it to me, and I really do think it's so bright, cheery, and cute. All right, you guys, I will be back with my next look. All right, guys, I am back, and yes, you can hear some traffic outside. I've got the window open. Like I said, it's kind of nice out today. Super sunny. This room heats up like you would not believe. But I'm wearing another gifted dress from Walmart. Let me go over my jewelry first. These I called my gold leaf filigree earrings, my sideways gold initial necklace, and nothing else has changed since last time. But this dress, you guys, is by Free Assembly. It was gifted by Walmart. It ties up at the top, and I'll give you a little tip for tying it. Tie it not on your shoulder, because I don't know about you, but that's kind of an awkward way to do it. So either before you put the dress on or down here, like have the two straps down, tie it, and then lift it up over your shoulder. I found that out the hard way, but it was fine. I'm wearing it in a size small, carrying my cognac baguette to match my braided cognac platform sandals that I love, and I absolutely love the way the cognac color looks with things that are navy. And this dress, again, by Free Assembly in a size small. It is double layered, so there is a matching lining underneath. Sorry, I'm looking in my mirror. There you go. And I just love navy, you guys. It's super, super pretty with gold and with cognac. It's not black, but it's close to it. Makes me happy. And I love that it has pockets, you guys. A midi length again. I'm seeing that everywhere this year. And I think it's so great. I never used to like it, like I said, but I am really enjoying it this season. And I love the full skirt on this dress. It is so forgiving and so very comfortable, you guys. All right, I have, let's see, two more things to show you, two more looks, and then we're gonna go over this lip combo. I'll be back. All right, you guys, I'm so excited. I just did a reel over on Instagram. It will be up on TikTok as well, and probably in a YouTube Shorts video somewhere. But if you're not following me, it's just at Life and Style by Liz on all of those platforms. You guys, I'm so, you know, every once in a while I'll tell you, I am so proud of myself for this one. Well, I am for this one for sure. Check out this cute shirt. Yes, I tied it in the back. We'll get into it in a second, but it says Texas and it has a cute little Texas scene on it. I love it. There are other states, but I know I got some Texas girls here, so I chose this one. Plus it's got those really pretty colors to it. Just wearing my square gold hoops. I get too excited and nothing else has changed. Let me back up and show you how I styled this cute little tee, sleeveless tee. I have on a Time and True denim skirt. It's got kind of a raw hem to it. It is above the knee. I've shown you one earlier. I'll put a picture of it. It's like a patchwork. I'll link that one as well if you like a longer skirt. But this one, you guys, is short, but it's also super loose and tons of stretch, which is not something I usually see in denim skirts. So I'm loving it. I'm kind of pulling it down just below my belly button, making it what I believe it is a mid-rise. It's certainly not a low rise. Here it is in the back. Again, plenty of stretch and room. This is in a size 4. This shirt up here, by the way, is in a size small. And then I just paired my own white cowboy boots, but I can link these by Madden NYC for you from the Walmart website. What do you guys think? I love it. I am not a country girl. I don't really listen to country music. I think we've talked about this before. I had an obsession with Kenny Rogers and Dolly Parton. I do love them, the classic country, but I'm not super into the new stuff. But I did just do that a reel over on Instagram, Country Girl Shake It for Me song. So go over there, you guys will crack right up. Anyway, I love the look of this outfit. It's something different, you guys, and I pulled it all off the shelves of Walmart. What is not to love? All right, you guys, I will be back with my last look, and then we're gonna go over this lip combo. All right, you guys, back with my final look, and I'm in love. So what am I showing you today? Same jewelry. I was too excited to come running out here with this outfit on, but I am wearing this Madden NYC crop top, you guys. I love it. I have a very similar one from last year, and I wear it constantly. I'm gonna insert a picture of my husband and I on our trip last year, and I had it on, and that I think is my screensaver for my phone. So I would say that this version of the sweater, it's like a sweatery cropped, I don't know, tank or cami or something, is this one here. It has that beautiful crocheted waistline. It's a little longer than last year's, which is helpful. And of course I love that nude color. It's so flattering. I might wear it out tonight. I'm not even kidding. I'm in love, you guys. I'm in love. Paired it with my cut-off denim shorts by Time and True, wearing these in a size 4. Now, these do not have any stretch in them, so keep that in mind. They go just to my belly button, so I would say they are a mid-rise, because you guys know I am short-waisted. Yes, I put on my clear strap studded sandals because we're almost to the end of this video and I haven't worn them once, so they had to come out. And here is the back. They're kind of short, but I kind of like them. They're not super, super short. I'm comfy in them. And you guys, I'm gonna show you another gift from my buddies over at Walmart. Look at this cute canvas tote. It is by No Boundaries. It is gorgeous. They have several other sayings. I love that they sent me the one that says summer. So let me back up, because yes, I would wear this as a tote. It is, you know, probably a beach bag or something. I might use it for work, but I would absolutely wear it out. I think it's so cute, you guys. This whole look right here is adorable. Wear this to happy hour, wear this on your patios, go to the farmer's market, use this as your bag. Now, if you're going to the farmer's market, fine, don't wear the clear strap studded sandals. You probably want a more comfortable shoe. Walmart does have awesome Birkenstock dupes. I'll link one and show you a picture. I have a couple pairs of those, but I'm loving it. Summer, 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 especially because it's finally sunny here in Buffalo, New York. And I am thrilled. And make sure you guys check me out on TikTok and Instagram at Life and Style by Liz. All right, let's go over this lip combo. We have covered a lot of ground. Don't forget to tune in next Wednesday, because I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff that Walmart sent me. And there are at least 2 new pieces that I have not bought, so it's perfect. All right, you guys know I'm in love with NYX lately. So I'm coming in again with that Magic Maker. It has so much pigment. That's not a word, Liz. It has so much pigment that I love to use it with my nudes, because sometimes nudes do wash you out. For those of you who say that, I agree. But if you do it right and get that layered look, it helps. All right, stop talking. There's that pigment, you guys. Just like that. Then I came in with Maybelline in the color More Blonde. Is it More Blonde? Yes, More Blonde, which is a very matte nude. And just kind of dotted it on. I still really like my lip liner to show. That look is sort of back, you know, with the whole Pam Anderson on Netflix, and then her makeup and hair and stuff has returned. And then I came in with something I've not shown you guys before. This is by Makeup Revolution from Walmart, and it's called Baby Gloss, and this is in the color Cream, and it's a very beige nude. See that? And I did work with it a little to make sure it had that perfect blend. You know, kind of like tapping it with my finger. If you have to come back in with a little lip liner, that's okay too. You know, if you went a little high, just to kind of blend. But I think it's really pretty. That's a new look for me, you guys. I like it. All right, that is all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is video number 3 this week. You never know when I'm going to show 3 videos. And someday I hope to be showing you plenty of videos, maybe even 4 or 5 big changes coming soon. So stick around, make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.